Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Bittorrent token. What's the current price of BTT? What's the price in token in the BTT? My friends, don't miss this video. If you miss this video, so my friends, there is a possibility, there is a chance that you will get lost from BTT token, my friends. If you watch this video completely, so there is also chance that you will get a good amount of profit from Bittorrent token, my friends. Anyways, let's start the video, my friends. But before starting this video, my friends, please, I request everyone to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Please subscribe now. My friends, at this time the price of Bittorrent token is 0.003369 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Bittorrent token. On the other side, if we look the price changes of the Bittorrent token, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend, the whole changes occur in the Bittorrent token is wrong. Whole changes is negative. Completely fast down occur in the Bittorrent token, my friends. So what should we do in this critical situation? Is it the best time to buy? Is it the best time to hold? Is it the best time to sell, my friends? A lot of people confused in this decision. My friends, first of all, my recommendation for all of you is that please, my friends, it's time to hold, my friends. It's time to hold. Why I suggest for everyone to it's time to hold? You know what? For instance, my friends, for instance, if you decide to sell Bittorrent token on this price, if you decide to sell Bittorrent token on this price, so this price is very low. If you decide to sell on this price, so you are in the loss. On the other side, if you decide to hold Bittorrent token, so maybe, my friends, there is a possibility to the price will pump in the future and you will get profit from a Bittorrent token, my friends. There is a possibilities. Anyways, in this video, my recommendation is that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart. You know what, my friends, the price chart, absolutely a quick jumps occur by a Bittorrent token, but the currently condition, you can see here, the currently condition is again going wrong. But that's not mean that the price is fast down, so you decide to sell. No, you decide to hold, my friends. You can see here, my friends, after a fast, there is a jump fast down, and now there is again chances to the price will pump. So if you decide to sell on this price, so there is a possibilities to you loss. But if you decide to hold, so maybe, my friends, in the future the price will pump, and if the price will pump, so you will get profit from a Bittorrent token. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Bittorrent token? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.